बाहर के देशों के लोगों का खाना खाने का तरीका देखिए।
Everything, right? Everything. Gotta make this bowl stick out, you know what I'm saying? All the meats, right?
Yes, sir.
Got chicken. Got the gyro. Beef.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna do some cheese. Onions?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. Tomato. Cucumber. We're gonna sauce it up? Drown it in sauce. Let's go. All right. You guys can handle spice?
Orange sauce?
Orange sauce? The hive sauce.